I'm Robert Taylor, president of the Taylor Group of Companies. We're in our third generation of leadership, and that started with W.A. Taylor Sr. Bought out a small mechanics garage here in Louisville, Mississippi in 1927. Developed that business until the first product was made, which was the logger's dream. It was the first mechanized way of skidding logs out of the woods and loading on a truck. Later and later, we developed the first forklift, and it was actually made from an old truck chassis, and then grew into the agricultural business. My grandfather was a lover of the land, and he developed the first no-till agriculture product to actually go in a pasture and put, without tilling the soil up, and actually planting that pasture. My father, Bill Taylor, came into the business in the 50s after he got back from the Korean War. And he's kind of the visionary. He understood what it took to take care of a customer and what customer service really meant. And we built log skidders, we built dump bodies, and all kinds of diverse products. And then we just kind of had to figure out what we wanted to be when we grew up. So we knew that lift trucks and material handling business was where we wanted to put our focus. 60 to 65% of everything that goes through our plants have been touched by engineering. You know, we build things. So we're not just an assembly shop. We'll always build things here at Taylor.
So I'm Matt Hillier. I'm Director of Engineering here at Taylor. Our approach is to ask the customer what they need and then develop a solution to their problem. Instead of trying to attack a market or try to target some certain market and then go out and sell that truck, we actually address solutions that the customers need specifically. So we have a front end group that all they do is design front ends and special attachments, unique things. We get involved in all sorts of unique attachments and designs. We have engineers that do structural design work that's highly analytical. You do stresses and deflections and those kind of things when you're designing these types of structures and these types of products. We have another group that specializes in chassis development and drivetrain, pairing engines with transmissions and drive axles to make sure that the powertrains are appropriate for the different models trucks that we have. So our vehicles have all the controls displayed, and it's the heartbeat of the machine, the brain of the machine. We do all those control programming in-house, so that division is responsible for all of what we call TICs, Taylor Integrated Control Systems. They do that design in-house. So when somebody looks in the engineering department, I want them to see a group of very highly skilled, competent engineers that just enjoy what they're doing.
My name is Joe Cowart, Director of Industrial Engineering and Quality at Taylor Machine Works. Taylor Machine Works, we're more than an assembly facility. We're a manufacturer. We start with raw steel, we cut, we machine, we weld, we paint. We're vertically integrated, and that's one of the primary advantages we have over most is we can make changes quickly. We do a lot of things in the manufacturing process that most other people would do off process through a dealer. We have control of our quality, design, and fabrication all in-house. So if we want to make a change, we can make that rapidly. We take pride in what we do. We take pride in design, we take pride in manufacture, we take pride in quality, we take pride in our people. One of the most important things I feel that Taylor Machine Works brings is their commitment to the customer. It's unparalleled. If you need something, we will take care of you immediately. We ask questions later. That's our primary focus, is our customer all the way through, and that's through the Taylor Machine Works organization, SSI. Every branch of the Taylor Group takes care of the customer.
My name's Hal Nowell. I'm Director of Sales at Taylor. The thing I enjoy most about working at Taylor is building long-lasting relationships with our customers. Whenever we engineer and build what the customer needs, we go and look what the customer needs, we bring it back to the engineering, we look at it, and next thing you know, we've got a product we can deliver to them. So the great thing about Taylor Machine Works, we have our sales, engineering, and service department all on location. So we bring an issue back that a customer might be having, and we can discuss it with everybody and come up with a proper solution for his problem. One way or the other, we're going to make our customer happy. we manufacture things. We're not just an assembly plant. Sudden Service Incorporated is our parts and service arm of the business. They look after all of our customers across the country. They help our dealers out, and also we have 18 factory direct stores that they look after as well. So we have all of our engineers here who go to the field and look at customer applications, and we design specifically around those. Our machines are purpose built for an industry. We've got over 90 years of experience on designing and manufacturing machines. I can't find anybody else that does that.
Whatever is said about Taylor, whatever is said about Sudden Service, Taylor Power, Taylor Defense, Taylor Leasing and Rental, it is 100% about our people. We have 3 watchwords on the front of the building. We have faith, we have vision, we have work. It's more than a mission. It is what we are. It's our mantra.